one wrong part, one rushed install. That's all it takes to transform a promising performance upgrade into the exact reason your engine seizes. Even mods many enthusiasts swear by often come with hidden consequences that don't show up until thousands of miles later. This isn't about shady off-brand accessories. It's about mainstream upgrades trusted by countless car owners. Today, we're exposing 10 innocent-looking modifications that secretly destroy engines over time, often without giving drivers any chance to react before a massive failure. The last one on this list might surprise you the most. Number 1. Oversized turbochargers. A giant turbo bolted under the hood looks like raw power waiting to be unleashed. Bigger airflow should mean bigger performance, right? Not exactly. When airflow jumps far beyond what your fuel system and cooling can handle, the engine is forced into dangerous territory. The pistons face extreme heat, cylinder pressures climb higher than the block was built for, and turbo lag tempts drivers to push harder just to wake it up. Each pull adds more invisible stress, slowly wearing out metal that was never meant to withstand those conditions. Owners often report months of trouble-free driving before the reality hits. Head gaskets blown clean apart, or cracks spreading through the engine block. What felt like an upgrade was really a countdown. Oversized turbos don't just strain your setup, they quietly turn strong, reliable engines into ticking time bombs. Number 2, cheap eBay, cold air intakes. A shiny cold air intake from an online marketplace looks like one of the easiest ways to squeeze out extra horsepower. For under $100, you get polished tubing, a filter, and the promise of a quick boost. But the problem is these kits are rarely engineered to match the car they're sold for. Without proper design and calibration, the airflow they allow throws off the mass airflow sensor. That sensor is what your ECU relies on to balance fuel with air. When it's tricked by bad readings, the engine runs lean, which means valves and pistons are exposed to more heat than they were built to handle. At first, you might notice crisper throttle response, but over time, you're quietly baking the combustion chamber. What felt like an upgrade is really a slow countdown to engine failure. Before we move on, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Number 3. Low-quality aftermarket chips/tunes. The idea of plugging in a chip and instantly unlocking hidden power is tempting. It feels like a shortcut to free horsepower without swapping hardware. But here's the issue. Most of these cheap aftermarket tunes aren't crafted for your exact engine. They're generic files pushed onto hundreds of different vehicles with no testing. The settings often push timing or fuel levels far past what's safe. The car may feel quicker and throttle response might sharpen, but inside the cylinders, you've moved into detonation territory. That's when combustion happens violently instead of smoothly, driving shock forces straight through pistons and rods. It sounds extreme, but there are countless examples of engines ruined after installing $50 power boosters from no-name brands. A small, careless change ends up creating thousands in damage. Bad software doesn't scream danger, it just silently erodes your engine over time. Number 4. Cat delete exhaust mods. Removing the catalytic converter is often advertised as a quick way to gain horsepower by reducing restriction. On paper, it seems simple. Less back pressure means more flow, which should free up performance. The truth is far less rewarding. When that cat is gone, the exhaust flow loses the balance that the engine management system was designed around. Oxygen sensor readings are thrown off, and the ECU constantly scrambles to correct, swinging the air-fuel mixture lean or rich without consistency. Instead of clean power, you're left with unstable combustion that builds stress on internal components. Sure, the car sounds louder and more aggressive, but the exhaust gases pouring out are hotter than before, slowly pushing the engine past safe thermal limits. What you've really bought is check engine lights, stressed sensors, and a slowly declining motor with almost zero gains to show for it. Number 5. Poorly installed nitrous kits. Few mods fire up the imagination like nitrous. The instant surge, the thrilling hit of power, it feels like racing in a video game. But when installation is sloppy or the kit is poorly designed, the outcome is far less exciting. Cheap systems often fail to spray fuel and nitrous evenly, which means some cylinders run dangerously lean while others drown. That creates hotspots that engines were never meant to handle. What's worse is how deceptive it can be. A car might perform flawlessly for weeks or even months, tempting the driver into thinking everything's safe. Then one day, without warning, a piston ring snaps or a connecting rod gives way. Nitrous rarely causes a slow decline. It's more like a switch between normal and catastrophic. With budget kits or bad installs, every press of the button becomes a gamble your engine won't win. Number 6, lightweight underdrive. Pulleys. Swapping to lightweight underdrive pulleys looks harmless at first. The idea is simple. By shedding rotating mass, the engine doesn't work as hard, giving you a slight bump in response and maybe a couple of horsepower on paper. It sounds efficient, almost like free performance without touching the real internals. But what most people don't realize is that the stock crank pulley isn't just a wheel, it's also a harmonic balancer. That piece absorbs vibrations from each combustion cycle. When you replace it with a lightweight pulley, those vibrations no longer have anywhere to go. Instead, they echo through the crankshaft, bearings, and valve train. Drivers might not feel the difference immediately. The car runs, maybe even feels quicker. Then months later, unexplained bearing wear or knocking noises show up, signaling damage already done. A tiny pulley swap quietly set a reliability trap. Number 7, mismatched fuel injectors. Many car owners add larger injectors thinking they're preparing for future upgrades, but mismatched fuel delivery quickly turns dangerous. Injectors must supply fuel at a precise rate, and when that balance is off, reliability is the first casualty. Oversized injectors tend to dump more fuel than necessary, drowning cylinders and creating uneven combustion. Undersized ones do the opposite, starving the engine and heating internal components far beyond safe levels. In both cases, hot spots form, carbon buildup increases, and the risk of misfires climbs with every drive. Take a motor tuned carefully for balance. Introduce the wrong injectors, and suddenly you're dealing with knocking noises, rough idle, and fouled spark plugs. That small change quietly dismantles the engine's health. Fuel injectors are not universal upgrades. They are precision parts, and when mismatched, they make the engine its own worst enemy. Number 8, over-aggressive ECU remaps. Tuning an ECU is one of the most tempting upgrades because it promises free power hidden inside the factory settings. But when the remap chases aggressive numbers instead of safe margins, it creates problems that you won't notice until much later. Pushing boost too high or advancing ignition timing beyond what the fuel can handle doesn't usually break parts overnight. Instead, the wear builds quietly. Piston rings lose strength after thousands of miles. Turbos overspin, trying to deliver more air than they were designed for, and connecting rods start stretching under stress. That extra 30 horsepower you feel today could be the exact reason your engine spins a bearing at 60,000 miles. The factory tune leaves room for safety, and stripping away those margins for short-term thrills means long-term destruction disguised as performance you thought was harmless. Number 9, cheap aftermarket blow-off valves. That sharp whoosh every turbo owner wants is often the reason people grab a blow-off valve off the cheapest site they can find. It feels like an upgrade in sound, but most budget options are built with poor tolerances and weak materials. Instead of holding boost steady, they leak pressure at the worst times, confusing the ECU and creating fuel spikes the engine was never designed to handle. The problems don't end at the tune. When air rebounds into the turbo, compressor surge builds stress on delicate blades spinning at extreme speeds. Many owners first notice rough idle after installing a cheap valve, but the real damage is invisible. Every surge shaves life off the turbo and eventually throws expensive parts into failure. What promises a cool sound ends up costing reliability, and the trade isn't worth it. Number 10, Badly designed intercoolers. Big intercoolers look like an instant performance win. More surface area should mean cooler intake temps, but when design is poor, that same upgrade becomes a hidden liability. Instead of promoting airflow, oversized or restrictive cores slow it down, forcing the turbo to spin harder just to keep up with demand. What happens next is surprising. Instead of cooler intake temps, air can actually heat up from excessive turbulence, leaving the engine breathing warmer, less dense air. A driver may believe their massive intercooler is protecting the engine from detonation, when in reality the turbo is under constant extra strain, slowly wearing out bearings and seals. The lesson is clear. Intercoolers are not about size alone. Without precision and flow design, the system works against itself, and the part meant to safeguard performance quietly shortens engine life. Many so-called upgrades don't add life to your car, they quietly subtract it. The promise of instant horsepower or a louder sound often hides the reality of reduced reliability and expensive repairs waiting down the road. What looks like easy performance can be the exact reason an engine fails years earlier than it should. That's why every upgrade deserves careful research. Don't rely on claims or cheap shortcuts. Demand proof before installing anything. If something seems too good to be true, it usually is. Remember, hidden enemies aren't always external. Sometimes they're the shiny parts we trust under our own hoods.